This is question 16 on the foundation calculator paper. Let's read the question carefully first. The diagram shows a pyramid. Okay, so there you've got the pyramid. Write down the number of faces, edges, and vertices. Now, this question is about understanding what those words mean. Now, faces are the flat sides of the shape, and this is a square-based pyramid. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces and 1 square face at the bottom. So how many faces is that altogether? 5 faces altogether. Edges are the straight lines, the bits that sort of, if it was a knife, you could touch it and cut you or whatever, but like that is an edge. So from the top going down, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 edges, and then around the base you've got another 4 edges, so that's 8 altogether. 8 edges. Vertices are the corners, right? The corners of this shape, so there are 4 of them at the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 1 at the back, 4, and then the 1 at the very top. That's 5 vertices. Okay, this part here is pretty straightforward. Make sure you get it, make sure you understand what those words mean, make sure you remember them. Okay, part B. Part B of this shape says, this question says, the base of the pyramid is a square. The base of the pyramid is a square. In the space below, draw a sketch of the net, or of a net, of this pyramid. Now, a net is what you get if you convert a 2D shape into 3D. If you sort of open it out, you flatten it out as if you would flatten a cardboard box. Now, this is a square-based pyramid, so the base of the shape is going to be square. And if I was doing the net of this, once I take this apart, I'd have 4 triangles coming off this square to form sort of star shape type shape. So I'm going to draw this properly. Let's see. Okay. We're going to draw the square base. And then I'm going to draw 4 triangles coming off it. I'm going to try to make them about the same, and I put those dots, sort of estimated the dots to be sort of halfway and halfway between, or halfway through the side, and about the same distance away. So all 4 of the triangles look the same. They did say, the question says draw a sketch, so they don't want you to draw it accurately. They don't want an accurate construction. All they need to see is a shape that resembles the net of a square-based pyramid. Okay, and there you have it. The net of a square-based pyramid, enough to get full allocation, full 2 marks in this. I drew a tiny sketch over here just to remind me of what it looks like, and then used a ruler and a pencil. Make sure you do use a ruler and a pencil. Because they said sketch, it doesn't need to be a work of art. Make sure you take your time and make sure that it looks the part.